National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, northwestern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Orange County in southeastern New York, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated an area of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Platte Brookville, or 11 miles west of Newton, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Penny-size hail may also accompany the damaging winds. Locations impacted include Paterson, Wayne, Middletown, West Milford, Ridgewood, Ramsey, Ringwood, Pompton Lakes, Severn, Port Jervis, Monroe, Walden, Warwick, Goshen, Sloatsburg, Hawthorne, Bloomingdale, Chester, Montgomery, and Greenwood Lake. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Orange and Rockland. Here is the forecast.